for 21st century education, we need quality teacher. Now, all of them have talked about quality of the teachers. I will just concentrate on one aspect of that, that is the professional development of teachers. That's why all of you are here. I firmly believe that a teacher is always a lifelong learner and that the flame of knowledge should never ever be extinguished. I would like to quote Michael Legrand, "The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, and the less I know." Sorry, I don't have a presentation. We, as teachers, cannot ever feel that we have achieved professional competence by college education or by acquiring a treasure trove of coveted degrees, because when we speak of a highly modernized, tech-savvy culture permeating all over the globe, it would be sanguine for us to realize that we, the teachers and school leaders, have a very crucial role to play in this dynamic world order. As is often expressed, that educators influence the minds and hearts of the eager, enthusiastic learners, and thereby they affect eternity. Professional growth of teachers is also referred by names like continuing education, teachers training, and in-service education. What we need to realize and encourage is that apart from formal workshops and training modules of the staff, the professional development is a constant, never-ending process of self-discovery by a series of initiatives like independent reading and research, observations and interactions with colleagues. I don't know how many of us, when we are free, we actually discuss the strategies to teach. In fact, most of us in our staff room are actually involved in gossiping. To identify and sift carefully from the profusion of resources available electronically and materially to us, enhancing infrastructure facilities, and then taking efforts to utilize them must be our firm focus. Now the question is, why teacher development is important? Because students deserve the best. Teacher preparation programs provide educators with the tools, mentors, and hands-on experience they'll need not only when they begin their career, but at every stage of their career to keep pace with fast evolving education scenario which is actually undergoing rapid changes. Great teachers help create students. In fact, research shows that an inspiring and informed teacher is the most important school-related factor influencing student achievement. So it is critical to pay close attention to how we train and support both new and experienced educators. The best teacher preparation programs emphasize subject matter mastery and provide many opportunities for student teachers to spend time in real classrooms under the supervision of an experienced mentor. Just as professionals in medicine, architecture, and law have opportunities to learn through examining cases, case studies, learning best practices, and participating in internships, exemplary teacher preparation programs allow teacher candidates the time to apply their learning of theory in the context of teaching in a real classroom. An emphasis on content, knowledge, increased use of educational technology, creation of professional development schools, and innovation learning training programs aimed at career switchers. Mentoring and coaching from veteran colleagues is critical to the successful development of a new teacher. Whenever a new teacher comes, she actually finds herself lost. That is when the experienced teachers should be able to help the new teacher. Great induction programs create opportunities for novice teachers to learn from best practices and analyze and reflect on their teachings. It is imperative for veteran teachers to have ongoing and regular opportunities to learn from each other. Ongoing professional development keeps teachers up to date on new research on how children learn, emerging technology tools for the classroom, new curriculum resources, and more. Okay, so as we all know that we have right now, all of us in school as leaders and management feel that the professional development is very important to keep our teachers abreast with new techniques, and it also helps to better the quality of the children and the need of the hour. Now, I would like to actually, it sounds very easy, but there are certain challenges that we as school heads find and the teachers find in professional development. That despite the time teachers dedicate to educating their students, many fear that there are very few quality training opportunities for staff. There are also very few rules dictating how much time schools should dedicate to develop staff skills. At the moment, many teachers are too anxious about exam results. We are only actually looking for good results for our students and performance targets to try new teaching methods. The lack of available professional development opportunities is a significant concern, and no doubt related to a decrease in funding for such opportunities. Most of the schools have very limited funding system that leads to struggle to provide comprehensive professional development. There is actually no time, as teachers have to leave the classroom to receive professional development, which can be inconvenient and often does not happen as intended. Teachers feel overwhelmed with the pressures of high expectations. Teachers want to improve their teaching but are not sure how to apply what they have learned in their professional development, and hence costly professional development rarely impacts student achievement. More often than not, teachers learn extensive theory but not actual practices, and lack of follow-up and accountability does not impact teaching and learning. There are very limited accessibility to good training and development resource. At times, teachers and administrators often have to travel sometimes great distance, like I have traveled from Gurgaon to Hyderabad in order to receive professional development. Many can't leave their families behind and attend the workshop.